How to play multiplayer with friends in Special Forces Group 2. So once you pretty much enter up the game, you don't really need an account itself, but as long as you navigate yourself to the multiplayer option. So once you have entered the multiplayer section, you will get 4 options, which is online, local via hotspot, LAN with router, and your my friends. So the first option is online over here. What you're gonna do in this section is to enter your region. So there are 4 options you can get here. You can go ahead and create your own room or choose from the available rooms that has already been created. So you can also search as well. Here in the search bar, you can put in the room name, max players, and just go ahead and press on join room. Another option is the local via hotspot. It should show you the step-by-step method on how to use this option, which is to switch on your Wi-Fi, have other players connect to it, tap create game, then tap start, choose whatever map you want, and you should be able to join with a different friend using the local via hotspot. And finally, the LAN with router option. So you're gonna have to go ahead and create a game in this one as well, or you could find a game or just join game. But you also have the my friends option. If you already have friends, you can just go ahead and join them possibly if they have created or are in game. But that's pretty much how you use the multiplayer options or multiplayer with friends in Special Forces Group 2. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.